Plastic pipes are a cheap and quick installation option for drinking water systems. But does value engineering justify taking a health risk? While there are many different types of plastic pipes used today, they are all made from a complicated blend of chemicals. The base of the plastic resin is usually a petroleum product comprised of multiple chemical additives, stabilizers, antioxidants, and other substances used to make the pipe last. The health concerns around plastic pipes occur when clean water comes into contact with the chemicals in these pipes. Plastic's complex chemical ingredients can separate from the pipe and enter the drinking water, especially at higher temperatures. During this process, known as leaching, dozens of substances can enter drinking water. Halogenated compounds, hydrocarbons, organotins, phthalates, vinyl compounds, quinones, and even alkyl phenols, which are known to increase the risk of breast cancer. By the time water reaches the faucet, it could contain dozens of substances leached from plastic materials. But it's not just chemicals from inside that can cause concern. Outside contaminants, like pesticides and gasoline, can seep into the surrounding soil and then permeate through the plastic pipe's wall, mixing with the water within. And while chemical leaching and permeation are a concern, microplastic contamination is also a serious issue. Plastic resin doesn't naturally biodegrade. It just continuously breaks into smaller pieces, eventually to a microscopic level. These particles find their way into our water supply and are unknowingly consumed on a daily basis. In fact, a recent study of drinking water from 14 countries, including the U.S., microplastic contamination was found in more than 80% of drinking water samples. For more information about piping materials, visit safepipingmatters.org now.